In this video, I'll talk about one of the most important topic or one of the most fundamental concept in programming language or any programming language as variable. Well, variable lets us store information in our programs so we can use and manipulate it later. For example, let's have a very simple example. Like think of a variable as a box with a name on it. You can put something inside that box, like a number, text, or any data, and later you can open the box and get whatever you put inside that box. So let's have, like, we have age is 25. Well, this age is a box. You can think it as a box and you use it anytime, and you can manipulate it and you can change it. So this is very important for us to know the variable and to use that. For example, age is 25. Let's print that age. How it will show? So age is 25. It shows as the variable and the value of that variable. So actually, when we say programs are data that are being changed, stored, deleted, updated. So this is also one kind of that. So we just delete, we just have the change, or we have any action, or we can do any action on them. So let's have a very common example and very simple example. Like for example, name is Ali and age is 25 and height is like 175. Obviously it will become centimeter as student, like true. For example, these datas we have, so these are variable like name, age, height, and as student. These are variables. We have assigned some values, we have assigned some, we have stored some information like Ali and these things. So the name and all of them are variable. And let's print the, well, name is name, and let's print the age as well. Age, and the height is, we have this quotation because, as I said in first video, that it is very important when we print something in the console and we want to print something, we just need to have that quotation, double quote or single quote. So as student, see, when I write something, that it will suggest the name because it says it is a variable as a student. So let's print this. What becomes the output? See, the name is Ali and age is 25, height is 175, and as a student is true. So this is variable we have used here totally. So in the next video we will talk about other topics. In this video, I think variable is very simple and very nice you understand this.